In this video, I'm going to teach you how I make money on Aliexpress, and the best part is you can do it too, as I'm going to lay out everything I do step by step in this video, from signing up to the platform, picking the right products, how to promote this product, and also how to set up a passive income system with this platform so that you can keep making money on autopilot every single day. And so you know, we are not going to be spending any money on ads, as we are going to be using 100% free traffic to generate passive income with this platform. I know most of you watching this video already know what AliExpress is. However, for those who don't know, AliExpress is basically just like Amazon for China. Basically, people come over to this platform to purchase physical products and then they ship it down to their country. So basically, it's that simple. However, for this video, we are not going to be making money by selling products or purchasing products on this platform. Rather, we are going to be making money using the AliExpress affiliate program. And that is by going over to portals.aliexpress.com. This is the platform which we'll be using to make money on AliExpress. So once you come over to the platform, as you can see right here, you are going to have access to over 150 million products you can promote, and you can earn up to 9% for every single sale you generate for this product. And also, as you can see here, it's supported in most countries across the globe. So basically, to make money on AliExpress, you simply need to follow 4 steps. As you can see here, once you sign up to the platform, you will be able to choose any product on the platform. You will then be able to generate your affiliate link. Once you generate the affiliate link, then you can start promoting this product through various channels like social media platforms, SEO, and other like social media platform, SEO, or even paid ads. And as you can see here, once you start generating traffic on your affiliate link and start bringing sales for this AliExpress product, you are then going to start earning your commission. So I'm going to walk you through how to do all this, plus how to set up a passive income system as well. So once you come over to this page, all you need to do is to click on the start earning button. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you'll be able to sign up to the AliExpress affiliate program by either signing up through Facebook, Google, or through your X account. Okay, so once you create an account, your dashboard should look like this, and this is where you're going to have access to various tools which you can use to enhance your revenue using AliExpress portals. Okay, and now you want to then come over to aliexpress.com website, and this is where you'll be able to select any product of your choice and start promoting that product right away. However, I use certain criteria to select the right product to promote on this platform. And the first criteria I use is to make sure the product has a 4 or 5 star rating. And the second criteria I use is to make sure this product has sold less than 1,000 units, because you want to make sure you don't promote a product that's sold so many products already, which tells you the competition in that niche or that product is already high and too saturated. So you want to make sure to only work with new and emerging products that has 4 to 5 star ratings. And the final criteria I use is to make sure to go with products that have videos. So now once you come over to the category section, this is where you can find endless products you can promote on this platform. So if I take the kitchen and garden section as an example, and if I come over to the kitchen category, there are so many products here that I can start promoting right away. And here's an example of a product that I found that match all the criteria. As you can see here, the product has a video which you can then use to promote this product. And also you can see it has 5-star review as well, and as you can see, it has sold less than 1,000 units. Okay, so now here is also another example here. As you can see, this product here also has a video, and as you can see, it has 4-star rating and has sold less than 1,000 units. And finally, here is also an example of a good product. As you can see, it has sold about 1,000 units and has 4.9 star review. And as you can see here, the only criteria this product does not meet is the video. However, if you find a product that meets other criteria but does not have a video, all you simply need to do is to scroll down to the review section where customers who has purchased this product have left a image review. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, you are going to see this section that says big review, and this is where you are going to see images you can download and use them to promote this product. So if I take this image here as an example, all I simply need to do is to right click and save this image to my device. So you want to make sure to download 4 to 5 images, and once you download these images, you can then convert these images to videos. And to convert it to videos is very easy. All you need to do is to go over to canva.com, and for those who don't know, this is a free design tool which you can use to create images and videos. So you want to come over to the platform and you want to go to the search section. You want to type in this keyword photo collage video. Okay, so basically what this means is you are going to be converting those images to video. And as you can see here, Canva is going to give you a lot of templates which you can then use to convert those images to videos, as you can see right here. Okay, so all you simply just need to do from here is to click on any of these templates and you can then add those images, and that way you can use those images to promote this product as well. So now we are going to take this product here as an example, and as you can see, this product sells for $20, but keep in mind you are going to get paid only 7% of this sale. So I highly recommend not to focus so much on the commission you are going to get. Rather, you want to focus on if the product is valuable and a lot of people are willing to purchase such product. And I highly recommend to stay between $10 to $100. Okay, so once you stay within this range, the product is not too cheap and it's not too expensive, and that way you can easily generate sales promoting that product. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so now once you select any product, all you just need to do is to copy the link to that product. Then you want to go back to your Aliexpress portal account. So once you come back to the account section, you want to then go over to this section that says tools, and this is where you'll be able to click on the link generator section to create your affiliate link for that product. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to paste in the product link in this URL section, and you want to click on get tracking link, which is then going to serve as your affiliate link. So this is the link you are going to be using to promote this product, and whenever you make any sale, you are going to get 7% of this sale. So now that we have our affiliate link, the next step is to then start promoting this product. So before we do that, you want to make sure to download the image, and all you simply need to do from here is to right click, and as you can see here, you can then save this video to your device. The next thing is to then create a YouTube channel, and this is where we are going to be uploading this video. And don't worry, we are not going to be promoting this video on YouTube. We are basically using YouTube as a landing page. And I know this does not make sense right now, but it's going to make sense in a moment. So once you create a YouTube channel, don't worry, I know this YouTube channel here has 5 subscribers, but you don't need any subscriber for this. You can create a brand new channel, and this strategy is going to work 100%. So all you need to do is to then upload that AliExpress video to your YouTube channel. So once you upload the video to your YouTube channel, you can then paste in the title of that product in your description and your title like this. As you can see, this is the video right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to then do, you want to add your affiliate link. However, before you do so, I highly recommend to shorten your affiliate link, and you can use website like bit.ly.com to shorten the affiliate link. All you need to do is to create an account for free on this platform, and you want to then click on create new. So once you do that, as you can see, you can then shorten any link of your choice. So you want to paste in the AliExpress affiliate link here, and you can give the link a title if you want to do that. Okay, so for me, I'm going to leave this blank, and you want to click on create your link. So once you create your link, as you can see, this is going to show you the link here, and I'm going to copy this link. So once you do that, we are then going to paste in the shorten link right here. However, if your account is a new account, it may ask you to verify before you add link to the description by clicking on this verification link. So once you do the verification, you'll be able to add in your link without a problem. And the next thing you want to then do from here is to click on next to upload your video. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the final page where it says visibility, and here you want to make sure to select public and you want to publish the video. So now that we've uploaded the video to our YouTube channel, that takes us to the final step, which will be using AI to generate passive income without having to do any work on our end. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool, writer.me, and I'm going to leave a link in the description, which is going to bring you to the website. And as you can see here, this AI tool is going to generate original and compelling content that sounds like you are not a robot. So one of the key features that makes me like this tool so much, and I've been using it for a very long time, is the fact that it has this plagiarism checker tool, which makes sure you generate only quality and unique content that is plagiarism free. So this is what sets this AI tool apart from its competitors. Okay, so once you come over here, as you can see, you can use this tool for absolutely free. However, I highly recommend for those who are serious about making money to come over to the pricing section, and I'm going to show you why it's important you go for one of these plans, which is either the unlimited plan or the premium plan, which is because it's going to give you access to this plagiarism tool, which is going to ensure you generate only unique and high quality content, which is going to make sure you then rank on Google easily and start making money in passive income. As you can see, this is just $7 right here. It's nothing compared to how much you're going to make, and you start getting organic traffic from Google every single day without doing any work from your end. So once you select any of the plans, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you want to then come over to the language section. You want to make sure you go with English, and then you want to come over to the tone section and you want to select information. All you need to do is to scroll down and to select information, because we want to give people value, and most likely if people get a lot of value from our content, they are likely to click on our affiliate link, which is then going to make us money in the long run. Okay, so now all you then need to do from here is to come over to the use case section, and you want to scroll down here to where you are going to see Quora answer. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on Quora answer here. So basically what this means is you can plug in any Quora question here, and this AI tool is going to generate a unique and plagiarism free answer, which is then going to help you rank easily on Quora and start getting free organic traffic to your affiliate link. So now we want to simply go over to Quora, and we want to look for questions people are already asking regarding the product we are about to promote on this platform. Okay, so now you want to come back to Aliexpress. As you can see, this product is a kitchen dish rack. So all you simply need to do from here is to copy the title of this product, and you want to simply go to Quora search section and you want to paste in this keyword right here. All you then need to do from here is to then click on search. Once you click on search, as you can see here, you are going to see a lot of questions about this keyword, and as you can see, this niche is not even competitive at all. As you can see right here, no answers for many of these questions right here, and I can assure you, you can make a lot of money from this niche right here. As you can see, this is a low competitive niche, and once you answer these questions, your answer is going to stay up forever, and you are going to be making passive income promoting this product 6 months, 1 year, or even 2 years down the line. So all you simply need to do from here is to copy this question. Okay, so I'm going to copy this question here like this. So once you copy the question, all you need to do is to come back to your writer account, and you want to paste in that question here like this. So once you paste in the question, all you then need to do from here is to click on write for me. So once it has generated the answer, it's then going to allow you scan this answer to make sure it's plagiarism free, and this way it's going to rank easily on Google. So all you then need to do is to copy the answer like this. So once you copy the answer, you then want to go over to Quora and you want to answer this question. Okay, so and to answer the question, all you need to do is to paste in the answer generated for you by writer. So before you post this answer, the final thing you want to do is to go back to the YouTube video. So I'm going to copy the link to this YouTube video right here. So once you copy the link, all you then need to do is to go over to the top of this answer like this, and this is where you then want to make sure to paste in the link to that YouTube video. So you want to paste in something simple like this. Okay, so once you highlight this, all you just simply need to do from here is to then make sure to come over yeah, and you want to give this a vote. So once you paste this here, all you just simply need to do from here is to click on post. Okay, so once you do this, you want to simply replicate the same strategy and answer at least 10 to 20 questions every single day. And I can assure you, most of these questions are going to start getting views. As you can see here, you barely have any competitor at all, and you're going to start making money with free traffic. So you don't have to do this for only this product. There are so many other AliExpress products you can replicate the same strategy with and start making money. Keep in mind, your answers are going to stay up forever and going to keep making you money in passive income. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now for more ways to earn money with AliExpress.